Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Mexican deviled eggs. This guide will walk you through each step, from selecting your ingredients to the final garnish. We'll focus on creating a vibrant, flavorful appetizer that's perfect for any occasion. You'll need about a dozen large eggs, a good quality mayonnaise, and fresh herbs. Let's get started by preparing all our components for a smooth cooking process. First, place your eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes to ensure they are hard-boiled. Immediately transfer the cooked eggs to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and makes them easier to peel. Once cooled, gently peel the shells and slice each egg in half lengthwise, setting the whites aside. Now carefully scoop the bright yellow yolks into a medium bowl. Add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, then mash them together until smooth. Incorporate finely diced jalapenos, fresh chopped cilantro, and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for that authentic Mexican zest. Season the mixture with a half teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt to taste, mixing well. Transfer your flavorful yolk mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star tip, or simply use a spoon. Carefully pipe or spoon the filling back into the hollowed-out egg white halves, creating an appealing mound. For a final touch, sprinkle a dash of paprika over each egg or place a small cilantro leaf on top. Chill the deviled eggs in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.